Hello, welcome once again. If you are new to this channel, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. Please, before we proceed, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon to turn on notifications so that whenever I upload an awesome video like this, you'll be notified. So today I'll be showing you how to log into cPanel and install WordPress on your live server. How to log into cPanel and install WordPress on your live server. So after purchasing your hosting and domain, your hosting details will be sent to you, which is your cPanel details, control panel details, which you will use to log into the back end and have access to control everything that concerns your website. It contains some details and it also includes your URL, your domain name, link to cPanel, your cPanel username and password. So what you have to do is to go to your browser, enter your website name /cPanel, you load it to open up, you enter your username and password, then you log in. Voila! So this is your cPanel. This is your cPanel. So from here you can create company email, or you call it customized email or company email. Then you can install anything you want to install. You can install WordPress and everything. This is where you manage your website. If you want to create a website with coding, this is where you upload the website. When you are done coding it offline, this is where you create your PHP admin. This is where you create your database. But for WordPress, if you are installing it directly, you don't need to create database. It automatically creates database for you. But if you are working offline, maybe working on a project on localhost, maybe using XAMPP, then you have to manually move everything to your live server. So let's dive into it. Let's install WordPress. So install WordPress, we'll go to Softaculous app installer. So you will see so many content management systems here, but we are going to use WordPress. We just click on install. So if you have more than one website on your hosting, you can select from here. And how do you want to be like this with www at the front? But I normally leave my site like this. In this directory, you have to clean it, because if you leave anything here WP, before you can access your website, you have to be your website, your domain name /WP, or anything you put here. Maybe you want to create another subdirectory, let's say housing, for example. That means you need to enter your website name.com/housing before you can display this service. So we are just going to leave this empty. So I'm going to choose admin here, though I will change this. I just want to use this for this sake. I'm going to enter a password. So I enter my password. My password strength very strong, so I will leave this like this. I will remove this. So install. Finally, your website is live. WordPress has been successfully installed on your website. So this is your default theme, WordPress default theme 2022. So to log into your website as an admin, you have to be your domain name /WP-admin. So I will just log in from here. So this is your website. This is where you make changes to your website. This is where you make changes to your website. You want to add pages, you want to change the theme, you want to add plugins for functionality. This is where you do all that. So let me quickly show you one thing. Some persons might be seeing this on their WordPress dashboard and they don't know what to do. PHP update recommended. PHP, makes your site to be faster. So what you have to do, if you have access to the control panel, all you have to do is to go to control panel, then look for PHP. You see, select PHP version. Still loading. Then see, you move this to, I move it to 7.4 or 8.1, but most times I always use 7.4. Then set as default. Apply to save. Then once I come and refresh my WordPress dashboard, see, everything is okay. I just want to remove all these things to make it look neat. Okay, so that is how to log into your cPanel and install WordPress on your cPanel. Hope to see you on the next tutorial. Please, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, like this video so that this video will be recommended to other persons. Thank you very much. You can also help us to share this video to your friends and loved ones. See you on the next tutorial.